wondering, this is upper control arm, because I screwed the one up on the passenger side when I did my awesome chow thing. Looking for a knife, we don't have one, so the drill bit works just fantastic. It worked. There we go. Nice and beautiful. Oh wait, probably shouldn't have thrown that. There's supposed to be a grease nipple in here somewhere. Keep out of reach of children for professional use only. I'm a professional. Sometimes. So the reason I'm marking that is because as soon as I get the lift on, I need to go to the dealership and get an alignment. And this is the easiest way to get this as close as possible. That's what it was. Right around, and you go down, and you go down, down. Look, we did it.
We did it!
That done stuck, so we need a hammer. We're in a predicament. The bolt, the nut came off nice, but the bolt's stuck. So now, to remove this gizmo, you go like this. You have to be the Hulk, first of all. And if you're really strong, and you like that. That's what you call a piece of garbage, and it should be in a Ford Ranger. That, and then you go like that, and you run it tight like that. See, now it's tight. It comes, the whole extension and everything comes off the gun when it's tight. It'll just automatically come off, and hopefully you're standing like this so that you're safe, but if you get hurt, I did not tell you to do this. I'm Josh's little brother, and I'm the one who has to do all the work around here. So the GM way to make your torsion bars fit in nice is to take a grinder to them. So I got some rust check rust paint. So it says the directions here is to clean off all extra flakes, get rid of dust and oils, and then you just paint it on. So that's what we're gonna do. So, if you guys are wondering why Tim is in this episode, it's because when we were at home eating pizza for supper, he said, "Hey Tim, want to come work on my truck tonight?" And he said, "Yup." So he's working on the truck. He kicked me in the butt and put those in. Yeah, ready? That's a good speed. Keep going. Tighten these up most of the way. It's on its own way now. Front end is sitting even higher than before. It'll come off. And it's Adam's snap-on socket. 35mm for those of you that are wondering. Yes, I beat on my snap-on stuff. It works most of the time. As you can see, Adam has too. Adam, if you're watching this, thanks. I took it out of your box. Oh. Get it off. Does this happen at GM? What? I've never had this before. Good. You got it back. There we go. Good and tight. Okay guys, let's see if it falls apart. Think that's enough? That's enough. Bang! No, they're not 35s yet.